Genesis Wind Farm is the largest and most significant renewable energy project in Israel, providing over 206 megawatts to the local population, enough to supply electricity to approximately 70,000 households. Everything starts with precise planning of the terrain by Nexcom and Minrav and the professional team on the ground. Turbine bases are excavated to accommodate robust steel constructions that can support the turbine's weight. These bases also house conduits for cables that transmit data and are designed to carry electricity. The substation is excavated and constructed to receive the electrical current, process it, and then transmit it over a distance of 27 kilometers to the next point where it will be distributed. Here you can observe the excavation work for the trench that will carry pipes filled with electricity and energy, emphasizing the preservation of nature and sensitive sites such as Yehudiah Stream and ancient graves in the area. Trucks carrying a load of cables are being unloaded from giant cable reels, which contain specially ordered cables for electrical transmission. Massive components of the turbines are transported to the site during the night, ready for the assembly process. The enormous turbines are meticulously assembled piece by piece with a strong emphasis on safety throughout the process. The weights of the turbine components and the enormous lengths of the blades require meticulous planning and execution of the geometry and load-bearing capacity of access routes and lifting platforms. The routes and lifting platforms were designed with multiple layers of foundations built to absorb the turbine's weight. All work was accompanied by various types of soil tests and a comprehensive quality control system to ensure that the execution matches the design. Compliance with all commissioning tests for the utilization of equipment and systems in the wind farm on the 161 kilovolt transmission system line, which is the first of its kind in the country at a similar length and at the substation, was ensured in accordance with the Customer Connection Procedure of the Israel Electric Corporation, IEC, and the stringent requirements of the system operator for connecting renewable energy producers to the national transmission grid. The project consists of 4 sub-projects. Wind farm project comprising 39 turbines each with a capacity of 5.3 megawatts. The Yonatan substation primed to handle 200 megawatts. The Yehudiah switchyard strategically poised for grid connectivity. A high-voltage transmission line spanning an impressive 27 kilometers. The entire site is secured with fences, cameras, and additional security measures, such as high-end cybersecurity and access control. Nexcom and Minrav served as the EPC BOP contractor responsible for the design, equipment procurement, construction, and continuous maintenance of the Genesis Wind Farm in Israel.